Hey everyone, welcome to the tax show for people who owe. I'm Dave.
And I'm Phil.
And today we're going to talk about what happens if you miss the tax filing deadline. We get a lot of clients call us with a balance from the IRS and they tell us that they've never filed. So we brought Phil along to help answer some of the questions to help navigate that situation. So Phil, what do you think has happened if I'm calling up and I have a balance with the IRS and I never filed?
Right. It seems pretty strange, but if you haven't filed with the IRS, they can and will file on your behalf based on the information they have in their records.
Okay, so they're using information they have. Are they going to file a return that's beneficial for me?
Oftentimes not.
And what's the purpose of them filing this return?
To force compliance.
Force? That's a really strong word, Phil.
I know, but our system is voluntary, so they have to use these types of methods to get people compliant.
Got it. So even if I forgot, or whatever reason it is, are they going to file on my behalf? This is a good return in most cases.
In most cases, not the best return for you because what information they don't have on file is whether you're married, your dependents, exemptions, and deductions.
A lot of ways that I can potentially reduce my liability.
Correct.
What would you suggest to a taxpayer that receives a balance due notice and they've never filed and they're wondering where it came from?
First thing is not to panic. I know there can be sticker shock with the large balance due. Secondly, call professional help if you're not familiar with tax returns or how to prepare them, because it's not over yet. You still have options. You can look into filing your own return against what the IRS did, and it may be in your benefit to do so.
So there's potential savings there by having that review?
Yes.
That's a great point, Phil. So if you did get a confusing notice from the IRS, I encourage you to download our Optima tax app. We'll be able to analyze that notice and tell you if there's any potential savings if they have filed the return for you. So we're going to close out from here. Phil, anything else to add?
Remember, don't panic and don't be afraid to ask for help.
Great point. Thank you, everybody. Thanks for tuning in to the tax show for people who owe.